So, what is a drone? Drone, also called UAV, stands for Unmanned Aerial Vehicle. Initially, it was used by the military, but commercial drones serve an altogether different purpose. But how did we get here? Back in 2006, we started seeing drones in civilian air spaces. They were used for search and rescue and disaster response. But the size was a barrier. From being 11 meters long and 2,223 kilograms heavy to 11.4 inches long and 840 grams heavy by the year 2013. These small yet powerful drones propelled UAVs to the limelight. Over the years, we've seen different sizes and shapes. Big and powerful, small and nimble, and now even small and powerful. Drones are helping save lives. Drones make operations safer, faster, and more effective. Tomorrow, they may even bring your pizza